Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best astrology guide is probably one of the most fascinating and accessible tools for understanding yourself and the universe around you, offering a unique lens through which to explore your personality, relationships, and life path. Whether you're a curious newcomer or seeking to deepen your existing knowledge, this guide promises to unlock the ancient wisdom of the stars and empower you with insights that can illuminate your journey and foster personal growth. Number 5. Astrology for Real-Life Workbook. Discover the ancient wisdom of astrology. This workbook is designed to guide you through the fundamentals, making celestial insights accessible for everyone. No prior experience needed. We break down complex astrological concepts into simple, easy-to-understand lessons. Start your journey with confidence. Engage with hands-on exercises that help you apply astrological principles to your own life. Gain practical knowledge and personal revelations. Learn to interpret birth charts and understand the influence of planets and signs. Deepen your self-awareness and improve your relationships. This comprehensive guide offers a clear path to understanding astrology. It's the perfect companion for anyone curious about the cosmos. See how astrology can provide real-world guidance and clarity. This workbook empowers you to use celestial wisdom in your everyday life. What we like. This is a hands-on guide designed for those who learn by doing. It offers practical exercises to help you apply astrological concepts to your daily life. If you're looking for an interactive way to understand astrology and want to see its relevance in everyday situations, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This book is a great introduction to astrology, covering the basics of planets, signs, houses, and aspects. The author explains complex concepts in a clear and accessible way, making it easy for beginners to understand. It includes practical exercises and charts that help readers apply what they learn and create their own birth charts. Number 4. Green Witchcraft, a practical guide. Unlock the ancient secrets of the natural world. This guide will help you connect with the magic that surrounds us every day. Learn to utilize the incredible energy of plants and herbs in your practice. Discover their unique properties and how they can enhance your life. Explore the grounding and amplifying energies of crystals. We'll also venture into other fascinating elements of nature's power. This is your hands-on manual for practicing green witchcraft. Gain practical skills and knowledge to integrate these natural magics into your routine. Begin your journey to becoming a green witch. Find your connection to the earth and cultivate your own magical path with confidence. What we like. This book delves into the magical properties of the natural world, focusing on plants, herbs, and crystals. It's ideal for those drawn to earth-based spirituality and seeking a more holistic and grounded approach to magic. If you love nature and want to integrate its energy into your practice, this guide will be invaluable. What people say. This book is a great introduction to astrology, covering the basics of zodiac signs, planets, houses, and aspects. The author explains complex concepts in a clear and accessible way, making it easy for beginners to understand. It includes practical exercises and examples that help readers apply what they learn and start reading their own birth charts. Number 3. Astrology Guide, Understand Yourself and Your Birth Chart. Discover the ancient wisdom of astrology. Learn how the stars can illuminate your unique personality and life path. Dive deep into the 12 zodiac signs. Understand the core traits and influences that shape who you are. Your birth chart is a celestial map of your life. We'll guide you through interpreting its profound insights. Gain a new perspective on your strengths, challenges, and potential. It's a journey of self-discovery through the stars. See how astrological insights can help you make informed decisions. Empower yourself with cosmic guidance for a fulfilling life. What we like. This is the ultimate resource for a deep dive into astrology, covering everything you need to know. It provides an in-depth analysis of birth charts for profound self-understanding. If you're serious about mastering astrology and want to uncover the intricate details of your personal cosmic blueprint, this comprehensive guide is for you. What people say. This book is a great starting point for anyone interested in learning about astrology. It covers the basics in a clear and concise way, making it easy to understand even for those with no prior knowledge. The author does an excellent job of explaining complex astrological concepts in a simple and accessible manner. The book is well organized and flows logically, guiding the reader through the fundamentals of birth charts, planetary influences, and zodiac signs. I appreciated the practical exercises included in the book. They helped me to apply the concepts I was learning and to gain a deeper understanding of how astrology works. Number 2. Astrology for Beginners, Birth Chart and Relationships. Discover the secrets of the stars and understand your unique birth chart. Learn how the cosmos influences your personality and destiny. Dive deep into the meaning of your sun sign and its impact on your life. Explore the nuances of your astrological identity. Learn how astrology can guide you to your perfect match. Understand compatibility and the cosmic connections that bring people together. Navigate the complexities of love and relationships with celestial wisdom. Find clarity on what you truly seek in a partner. This comprehensive guide offers insights for everyone, from curious newcomers to seasoned stargazers. Embrace the wisdom of astrology. What we like. This guide is specifically tailored for beginners interested in understanding their birth chart and star signs, with a special emphasis on relationships. It helps you discover your ideal partner based on astrological compatibility. If you're new to astrology and particularly curious about how it can illuminate your romantic life and relationships, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. This book is a great starting point for anyone interested in learning about astrology. It covers the basics in a clear and concise way, making it easy to understand even for those with no prior knowledge. The author does an excellent job of explaining complex concepts in a simple and accessible manner. The book is well organized and flows logically, guiding the reader through the fundamentals of astrology step by step. I appreciated the practical exercises and examples included in the book. They helped me to apply what I was learning and to better understand how to interpret astrological charts. Number 1. ABCs of Astrology, Beginner's Guide. Ever wondered what the stars hold for you? This guide is your first step to understanding the cosmos. Learn to navigate your life's journey with celestial wisdom. Discover the secrets that are written in the stars. This beginner-friendly course empowers you to interpret astrological charts. You'll gain the skills to understand yourself and others better. We break down complex astrological concepts into easy-to-understand lessons. No prior knowledge is needed to begin your journey. Begin your adventure into astrology and unlock a new perspective on life. Your path to self-discovery starts now. What we like. This book empowers you to become your own astrologer by teaching you the fundamental principles of the craft. It focuses on giving you the tools to interpret charts independently. If you aspire to gain self-sufficiency in astrological interpretation and want to understand the core mechanics without relying on others, this is the ideal guide for you. What people say. This book is a great introduction to astrology, covering the basics of zodiac signs, planets, houses, and aspects. The author explains complex concepts in a clear and accessible way, making it easy for beginners to understand. It includes practical exercises and charts that help readers apply what they learn and create their own birth charts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.